Good morning, student. Today we'll continue with the Pyplot graph plotting. So within Pyplot, still till now we have seen what are the different areas, how we can plot a line chart, and different attributes that is used within the plot method. So basically, we can change the different attributes of plot method either through the marker or about the lines. So now today we'll discuss about further on this plot. So yesterday we have done a discussion on revision of this topic. So first of all, let me know if any question is there on any of this topic. If any issue or question is there on this pie plot that we have already done regarding this. So now today we are going to do one question, one solution from practical aspect, practical solution of this pie plot. So see the question first of all. Here the question is there, just like already we have learned how we can create a plotting and everything. So today the question is create an array in range 1 to 20, 1 to 20 with values 1.25 apart. Another array contains the log values of first array. These are the two array. In this way we have to make two array. So now what are the things we have to create it? Simply we have to create a line chart on this two array. So we'll create line chart on these two arrays. Now in this question we'll solve the various types of things. First of all, one by one we'll do. So as we know, whenever we have to create any line chart, we have to first, or any type of chart, we have to import the matplotlib library. So import matplotlib dot pyplot as pl. So first we have to import it, then we have to go for import numpy as np. So then what we'll do, now we have to create these two arrays. So here I will ask one question, you have to answer. Just tell me how we can create this first array, that is create an array in a range of 1 to 20. How we can create this array 1? So tell your answer, which method? Then we'll create the array 2 this way from the array 1. So you have to answer. Here I'm asking the question, just reply in the chat window that how we can create the first array. The question is asked, create an array in the range 1 to 20 with the values 1.25 apart. So if we want to create that type of array, so how we can create? So answer the question in the chat window. Type in the chat window what should be the answer. I'm waiting for the answer. Type your answer. Actually, if you do not answer in this way, actually things will not go good. Just like in the meet also, you are not answering, so things will not very good actually. Then only your doubt will not be clear. So whenever any question is asking, we are asking. So obviously you should answer in the chat window. Okay, then say to it. PL dot, we have to use the numpy array, so that's why we will use np dot since here 1 to 20 it is asked the range and 1.25 apart, so here we have to use the lean space method of numpy. So within lean space we'll pass 1 comma 120, and how much gap we need, 1.25 gap. So after that we have to take the log of the first array, so np dot log of array 1 will take log. So now our two arrays are created. Now using these two array we will create different types of chart. So first of all, also we'll do some axis level. We'll create some axis level. So here I'm assigning some axis level, l dot x level. Within x level, I will write this like random values between random values from 1 to 20. This will be my heading, and second pl dot x level if we write, or pl dot y level. Now we'll write pl dot y level. We'll write another part, it is the logarithm value. Logarithm values. So this will be my two x level and y level. Now we are going to plot the things. We are going to plot. Yes, Sangita, are you asking anything? So now we have to plot the thing. So if you simply plot it, so we'll use pl dot plot. Then within that we'll pass our two array ar1 and ar2. So after passing ar1 and ar2, if we want to do something else, just like suppose we want to change the line color. So in that way, what we have to use, which attribute we have to use if we want to change the line color. So which attribute or what we have to use. So just suppose if we want to change the line color to black, so what we can go for, if we want to just, so then only within single quotes we'll write k here. And suppose now if we want to go for the marker, as marker equals to, I want to use marker equals to, suppose plus symbol. So in this way marker is equal to, within double quotes, within single quotes, plus, marker is equal to plus. Then I'll go for the marker edge color. Marker edge color. So for marker edge color, if we mention any particular color, so that marker will be shown in this way. So suppose if we use suppose green only, if we use, so that we can mention. Okay. So in this way we will plot the things, and at last we have to use pl dot show. So then it will, chart will be shown. Now just I'm saving the chart. So here I'm saving the chart, line chart. This is question number 8. So here I'm saving. Now if we run this one, so let's see how it is coming. So one mistake is coming. Okay, actually here we have used the lean space. So in this place we can go for a range function. So then it can work, because lean space cannot work with the decimal point value. Now here it is coming. So if we enlarge the image, you will see that the complete chart is coming with the black color line, and within this green color, here we can see green color, any marker is there, you can see this is the marker. So this is in this way we can simply display any chart. So this is one thing, it is the simple one. and simply we'll just copy this docs or works. So this is the first task, today's task. Now we'll go for the second one also. Suppose if we close this one, or with that, suppose if we want to use another thing, so pl dot plot. Now here we'll use another uh, version of charting plotting. Suppose if we do not want a line, only we need the marker point. We need the marker point. Means when a line will not refer. This means we we need only the particular marker. So in that case, we'll mention the mark these two x-axis and y-axis labels, and within this, now we have to mention the particular marker color, and which type of marker that we have to mention. So that we have to mention under this way. Just like if we want, suppose red plus, so we'll write R plus. If we need just like red red color O or circle, in that case we'll mention RO. So in this way we can mention. So even so, let me take R capital D, so red color capital diamond. So it will only show the marker point on the chart. So I'm just keeping the two both the lines, but here few changes I'll do. Suppose I'm taking another array so that it will be quite different with that. So I'm taking another third array, for example, AR3 equals to np dot. Suppose if we want to take some other, for example, other than log, suppose any other exponent or anything else, that function also we can use. Suppose if we use log base 10 value, so np dot log 10, within bracket I'm passing AR2. So this will be my AR3. So now in this case I will use AR3, and here I will use AR1 and AR2. So let's see. I'm just saving it. I'm just showing it here. Here we can see that random values, if these are coming, this is for the first one, AR1 and AR2, and this is for the second one, that where line has not came. But suppose just like let me shape this figure first of all. Suppose if we change a little bit here, if we change, suppose if we want to use the line also, so in that case we cannot mention in this way. Just like red, this is coming. Now if we mention the line color, that we can also mention, just like simply we'll mention the line color. For example, if we mention here red, or if we mention here K, it will be line color will be black. So now again I'm saving it. Now you can see it is coming on the black color. So that time, that marker color, that separately we have to mention, this marker is not coming, this marker is not coming, then in that case we have to mention in this way. We have to mention in this way if we want to mention the line also. And if we do not want to mention the line, in that case only we have to mention this. So this is the difference. This is the second version. Another version, how we can create the chart, how we can create a chart. So this is the way. So how we can create different types of line chart, and within this line chart how we can go for different structure, different types of style, or its property or attribute formatting we can change. Okay, so this was the second question, second time, and now I'm going for the next question. Next question. This was the simple question. First question. So here also I'm giving the heading, uh, chart with black line with with plus marker and in which color. So this was the question. Now I'm going for the third question. So what is the third question? Uh, Create another array. So another array that stores cost of first array, cost value of first array, and dot chart with the first array. This is our question. So for this purpose, again we have to take cost of first array. So AR1 cost, for example, I am taking one variable. So here I will take np dot cost. Within that, I will pass the AR1 array. Now we have to also, the question is quite different. We have to create one array. We have to create one array and with dash dot 8 line, with dash dot 8 line. Okay, I'm just adding some more. Marker type should be just like adding more things. Here marker type circle. Marker type should be circle with blue color. With blue color. Marker type should be circle with blue color. This is the third question. So here I am creating the next question. So here one dot cost. Now again we'll plot pl dot plot. In that will pass our two arrays. Will pass our two array. That is AR1 comma AR1 cost. That is our third array. AR1 and AR1 cost. And then we'll create our first array plot chart with first array with dash dotted line. So line style equals to dash dot that we have to mention. Line style equals to dash dot, then marker equals to circle, means just we have to mention O, and blue color. So marker edge color should be blue. Marker edge color should be blue color. So you can write B or blue, I think. So both will work. So in this way, now we'll do our third question. So this will be answer for the third one. So just saving it and running it. So this is the now third one. So here we can see the third one. Line is coming by default because we have not mentioned any line color. We have not mentioned any line color. Just a second. Again, I'm just running it. Here we have not mentioned any line color. For that, this dash dot style is coming with blue circle marker is coming. So in this way, we can change or vary the things. Now we'll go for the next question. Third question here. The question is there. Create a line chart with only marker points. With only marker points. Now about the marker points, again it is asked that second array versus third array, fourth array will be blue diamond, diamond shape marker, and first versus second array with red color circle. So this we need. So now what we will have to do. So for this first second we have to call the plot function pl dot. We have to go for pl dot plot. Within pl dot plot, just we have to mention all the attributes, that is for the second array and the fourth array. So second array is our AR2 and fourth array is AR1 wash. So then what we have to mention, blue small diamond. So with single quotes only will mention BT, that is where we do not want any line. This is the thing. And last one, PL dot plot, where we'll create the just two array AR1 comma AR2, for example. AR1, AR2, but we have already done with AR1, AR2, just like this one, AR1 and AR2. Here it is asking red oval shape. So in place of diamond, so we have to just let me keep simultaneously R4 will use. So now this is done. So now we go for this one. So this is the thing. There are different arrays coming. One is this red diamond, big diamond, then this black one, then this blue one, and this dash dot string. So these are the different structure. Again, if we signify this, just like here, we can see B, blue and diamond, blue small diamond, and red circle. So just if we close one of this, just like here, we can see blue small diamond. So these are the blue small diamond, and then red red circles. So actually red circles are covered by the previous one, so that's why it is not coming red circles. So if we want to see it, so we have to close the previous one. So in this way we can go for the chart. So this is the structure. So this is the thing. If you have any question regarding this point, tomorrow we'll discuss about the next few questions regarding this line chart. So this is the thing. Here I'm just ending the session. If you have any question, let me know. Okay, thank you. Just ending the session here.